Okay, so here we have a question, and it talks about sale of an item. So often when it's a sale and something's been reduced. So in a sale, normal prices are reduced by 20%. The washing machine has a sale price of £464, but how much money is the normal price? So on this one, you have to realise that £464 has had 20% taken off it. So therefore it relates to 80% of the original value. Now there is more than one way of doing this, but my favourite way, I would say, is just if you can get it to that point and think, well, this relates to 80% of the original price, how would I get it to 100? Well, how would you get this to 1? Well, you divide by 80, and that will give you what 1% would be. So you divide, it's kind of like ratios, so you're dividing both sides by 80. So let's do that. And you've got a calculator, so there's no problem doing sums which are not necessarily easy. So let's have a look. So 5.8, so £5.80. So £5.80 is the original 1%. We can then times it by 100 to find what 100% would have been before the sale. And we could do that part without a calculator, really, just moving the decimal across 2 places. So hopefully that's for me my favourite way of doing it. There's other ways, there's many other ways of doing it as well. You just divide by 0.8, etc. But that's actually doing the same thing. But I like this way. Just think about what it is, because you've obviously got, it could have increased, it could have decreased. So if you just figure out what this value is they've given you and what it relates to compared to the original price, I think people go less wrong with this one, with this method. Okay, so the answer for this one, before it was reduced, it was £580. Okay, so that is reverse percentages. So I hope that's maybe helped and given you maybe a method to do that. Thanks for listening.